Hello, everyone. I wonder which one will be chosen first. Is it the yellow one? Oh, yellow is not ready yet. Okay, let's pick red. Yay! Look, a red egg. Let's see what surprise is inside. Wow! Inside was a soft, bright red Play-Doh. Wow, such soft red Play-Doh! Let's take it out and spread it on the table. Look how bright and red it is. What's this? A red rolling pin? Cool! Let's roll it out and make it perfectly smooth. Squish, roll, and flatten. Ready for the bear? Red bear! Red bear! Which one will it choose? The blue egg? No, not today. The yellow one? Yes, this is it. Let's open it. Yellow. Yellow. Inside the yellow egg, we found yellow Play-Doh and a little horse. A yellow horse. Let's take it out and get it ready. Wow, this is such soft yellow Play-Doh too. It feels so squishy. A yellow horse. A yellow horse. Should we pick orange? No, let's say bye-bye to orange. Wait, do you want orange? Okay, let's go back. Let's pop it open. Wow! And look! We have a special orange rabbit. Look at this! We found some super soft Play-Doh. Orange rabbit. 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 The wand is landing. It's on green. Wait, let's shake it up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And it's blue. The blue egg wins. Are you ready to see what's inside? Here we go. Let's open the blue egg. 1, 2, 3. Pop! Wow! Look at that! We found some beautiful blue Play-Doh. Okay, Mr. Crocodile, it's your turn. Let's place the mold right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push! Wow, a blue crocodile. Only one egg left. Can you guess what color it is? Yes, it's green. The wand says, pick the green one. Let's go. Let's pop it open. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look. Hello, Mr. Giraffe. Wow, green Play-Doh. Wow! Green Play-Doh! Let's see what happens when we use our giraffe mold. Look! It's a green giraffe. Look how tall it is. A green giraffe with a very long neck. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.